The ZUP Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. Download it and execute it on the chart. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the navigation section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we execute the indicator. Just make sure to go to the comment section and enable the Allow DLL Imports option. Check this option, and then click on Confirm. Once the indicator is executed on the chart, it begins to identify Fibonacci ratios and the ratios of movement waves and price matches on the price chart. The ZUP indicator is suitable for those who are looking to identify harmonic patterns on the chart, as they can easily recognize these patterns using this indicator. Traders can also observe different ratios and ultimately identify the harmonic pattern. For example, in this section, a bearish crab harmonic pattern has formed, and after its formation, the price moved downward. In the settings section under Inputs, there are options available for us, and in the first part, we can set the minimum number of bars, which is the minimum number of candles required to identify a price wave. In the next section, we can set the minimum size, which is the minimum number of candles for drawing lows and for identifying patterns. In the following section, there is the max bar, which specifies the exact limit on the number of candles for identifying and drawing the ratios of movement legs. The price is such that it displays up to 1,500 candles for us. In the next section, we can adjust the text size, which pertains to the numbers, and here we can make the size of the numbers larger or smaller, and in the next three sections, we can adjust the color of the drawn lines. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.